They're gonna tear down the Grand Ol Opry. Gonna tear down the sound that goes around our song. Gonna tear down Grand Ol Opry. Another good thing's done gone on, done gone on. Well, there were campers, there were buses, parked all around where there used to be a door about that place called the Grand Ol Opry. It just ain't there no more, ain't there no more. They're gonna tear down the Grand Ol Opry. They're gonna tear down the sound that goes around our song. They're gonna tear down the Grand Ol Opry. Another good thing's done gone on, done gone on. Right across from the Wax Museum, they used to line up around the block. East Tennessee, back down home again. All of a sudden there's nothing to do where there once was an awful lot. Broad City will never be the same. I've been in love with the Grand Ol Opry, and I guess I have been now for a good many years. And when I hear the Grand Ol Opry, makes me sad that it's gonna disappear, gonna disappear. They're gonna tear down the Grand Ol Opry. They're gonna tear down the sound that goes around our song. Gonna tear down the Grand Ol Opry. Another good thing done gone on, done gone on. They're gonna tear down the Grand Ol Opry. They're gonna tear down the sound that goes around our song. They're gonna tear down the Grand Ol Opry. Another good thing is done gone on, done gone on.